Manipur High Court has directed the Government of India and Department of Forest, Government of Manipur not to initiate any eviction process against 441 persons who are claiming the status of other traditional forest dwellers of Wangu Gram Panchayat, Kaching district. The High Court also directed the authority concerned to consider the representations submitted by 11 petitioners on behalf of 441 persons to provide them the status of other traditional forest dwellers of Wangu Gram Panchayat, Kaching district and dispose of the same by issuing a speaking order within a period of 2 months. The case was heard in the court of Mr. Justice Ahanthen Bimol Singh yesterday. Advocate Ningomba Bupenda Maitai appeared as counsel for the petitioners. Attorney General Lenin Hijam, Assistant Attorney General K.H. Samarjit, assisted by Counsel Dimal Kumar Haubam, appeared for the respondents. The case pertains to a writ petition which pointed out that a representation had been submitted to the concerned authorities on behalf of 441 claimants who are claiming for providing status of other traditional forest dwellers OTFD of Wangu Gram Panchayat, Kaching district, Manipur, and that the said representation has not yet been considered by the authorities till today. In the meantime, the Divisional Forest Officer, Thawal Forest Division, Manipur, issued show-cause notice on May 16 last, directing the petitioners and other persons to give explanation with necessary documents, indicating sufficient reasons as to why they should not be evicted from the land of Thongamondum Reserve Forest. If they fail to respond to the show-cause notice within the stipulated time, necessary eviction process will be initiated immediately without further communication. Counsel for the petitioners and Bupenda Maitai submitted that the present petitioners and other persons altogether numbering about 441 have submitted their representation claiming for providing the status of other traditional forest dwellers of Wangu Gram Panchayat, Kaching district, Manipur, that without considering and disposing of the said representation, the authorities have initiated the eviction process. The council submitted that the pending consideration and disposal of the claims, an interim order will be passed restraining the authorities from evicting the petitioners from the land presently possessed by them.